Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to install Supabase CLI. First, open your web browser and go to the Supabase documentation website. Search for Supabase CLI installation and open the official installation guide. Before installing the CLI, make sure you have a terminal application available on your computer. If you're using Windows, you can use Command Prompt, PowerShell, or Windows Terminal. If you're using Mac OS, open the Terminal app. If you're using Linux, open your preferred terminal. Now choose the installation method for your operating system. For Windows, the easiest method is usually through Scoop. If you have Scoop installed, open PowerShell and run the installation command provided in the Supabase documentation. You can also install the Supabase CLI using npmap if Node.js is installed on your computer. Open your terminal and run the installation command shown in the documentation. For macOS users, you can install the Supabase CLI using Homebrew. Open terminal and run the Homebrew installation command provided by Supabase. For Linux users, copy and run the installation command listed in the official documentation for your Linux distribution. Once the installation is complete, verify that the CLI was installed successfully. Open a terminal window and type supabase -- version, then press enter. If the installation was successful, you will see the installed version number displayed on the screen. Next, sign into your Supabase account if required. In the terminal, run the login command shown in the Supabase documentation. A browser window may open asking you to authenticate your account. After signing in, return to the terminal and complete the login process. You can now create projects, manage databases, run local development environments, and use other Supabase CLI features directly from your terminal. If the command is not recognized, restart your terminal and try again. You may also need to ensure that the Supabase CLI was added correctly to your system path. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.